On track, we have the girls frost-off 300 hurdles. Here are results of event number 17. This is the boys frost-off 100 meters. In third place, Choi of Maricosta, 11.84 seconds. Wong of Maricosta takes second in 11.81 seconds. And your winner, Trace Searcy, Maricosta High School, 11.66 seconds. In the frost-off girls 100, third place goes to Collins of Maricosta, 13.47 seconds. Franklin of Maricosta takes second in 13.36 seconds, and your winner, Jordan Dorsey of Maricosta High School, winning time 12.60 seconds. In the varsity girls